Let me show you just one more update that I've made to the course, just so you're not confused about what's going on. So in Visual Studio, in our framework solution that you're going to download from GitHub, I've added an extra project. That project is called Element Interactions Project. In here, we are going to do all our work with elements like element identification, element manipulation, navigation, so on and so forth. It's going to happen in this project. I've just logically separated it out from the framework so that it's less confusing. In the QTP test, we used to have this element identification class. I simply moved it over. I've moved it over, and now we're going to have a bunch of tests that help us to understand a specific concept. For example, here is a test that's going to deal with element identification. Here is a test that's going to deal with navigation. More tests that deal with navigation. And so on and so forth. There's going to be a bunch of tests that will teach you the appropriate concepts. So you can easily just work from here, follow along in the tutorials. Just remember that you're going to be working out of this project. The other thing that I wanted to mention is that when you download the solution and you have this project here, do yourself a favor and don't peek at all of the test methods. Follow along with the course, do your own work. And if you're really struggling to get something right, then take a look at the code to see what you're doing wrong. But if you're looking at the code in advance, you're going to take away all of the knowledge and all of the interactions that I put you through as I take you through the course. I'm going to be giving you quizzes, and I'm going to be expecting you to do some work. And if you're peeking ahead of the course in the code, you're going to lose that learning advantage that you get from the quizzes and the interactions and the stumbling through problems. Therefore, do yourself a favor, don't peek ahead. Use this as a final resort of when you really can't figure anything out. Come here and compare this to your code to see what the difference is.